It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I have some nail mail to show you guys. We have a Polygel kit, okay? I will have the link to this in the description bar, but we're gonna give this a try, okay? So in this kit, we have a lot of different, and excuse me, this is Acrylgel, okay? So we have a lot of different tubes. We have some thermal changing. We have some cat eye, a lot of different kinds that we're gonna swatch and try out. So I can't wait to show you guys all of these goodies. They also sent some dual forms in here, so I'm gonna try their dual forms, and I have some new dual forms that I got from AliExpress that I want to show you guys as well. We also have some slip solution and a magnetic stick because they do have, you know, the cat eye Acrylgels. So we're going to be using this hand today. So let's get into it. Okay, so I took everything out of the box. They had a lot of things crammed in that little box so I can show you guys everything. So they sent the magnetic tool, some slip solution. I have 4 of the thermal colors, 3 of the magnetic colors, a file, and this is a 100/180. Came with a brush, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Of course, they sent some instructions, like a little manual. The brush has the scalpel on one side, well, not a scalpel, but a scalpel cut stuff. The spatula, okay? So we got the spatula on one side, and then we got the brush on the other side. And they sent some dual forms, and this is what their dual forms look like. They are wide at the cuticle area, so you can take like some little scissors, and I'll have these linked below, and just cut those edges off so that it can actually match your cuticle. And I did get some other dual forms. So I got these from Amazon, I believe, and I'll have everything that I can re-find again. I'll have it linked under the video. But I got these little clamps and these dual forms. And these are rounded at the cuticle. They are a little longer, and they kind of come in like a stiletto shape. And I have these. These are rounded at the cuticle, but they are a little deeper. So I'm interested to try these out to see how they all work. So I'm going to be putting it on this hand. I already went in with my peel off base, and I'm going to be using this to help me flash cure everything until I put it in the lamp. So I tried to use the tips that came with the kit, but they were really flat. And I feel like on these tips, it would not have done any justice. So I did go in and use one of the other tips that I showed you all. I ended up using the ones that kind of came in that kind of stiletto, kind of coffin shape or whatever. So I used those. This is the slip solution. I had to pop that little cap out. And I used the spatula to put it inside of one of those little grooves. And I just popped the cap out like that. So I used my press on stick to put the tip on upside down. That way I could really work the product in the dual form. And I'm only going to do 5. I'm going to do 1 on each finger on this practice hand. So I did do a couple of the thermals and a couple of the cat eye acrylgels. And with the slip solution, I basically just tried to keep the brush damp so that I can just pat everything out. And you don't want too much product around the dual form. You want it to kind of curve around the tip. You want to kind of imagine that, you know, the nail is going to go inside. So you want to press it around so that when you put it on the nail, a lot of it is not going to squeeze out anywhere. So I'm going to put this on the nail and use the flashy to cure it in place. And this is one of the thermal colors. You can see the heat from that flashy turns it white. I wanted to try this one because it had pink and yellow on it, and I wanted to see if they were saying that it's going to turn yellow. So for all of these, I followed those same steps with the slip solution by putting some in there, just squeezing it out of the tube and patting it around the dual form and placing it on the nail. And if anything came out on the sides, I just wiped it away with the slip solution, and then I flash cured it into place with the flashy. So for that pink nail, I didn't see that it changed yellow. I am going to dip them in some warm water at the end to see if they change. So now I'm going to do 2 of the cat eye nails, and these were some of my favorites. So what you want to do is put the product in there as before, but right before you cure it into place, you want to put that magnetic tool over the top so that it can pull the product to the center for whatever kind of design you want. Then you want to cure it to lock it into place. I got this kit from Amazon, so I will have my Amazon affiliate link below the video so you guys can go check this kit out. And when you use my Amazon affiliate links, I may qualify for a percentage of that commission or whatever. So definitely, use the links to help me out. If not, no pressure. And this Acrylgel is very forgiving. I like how you can just work with it and just keep on working with it. You don't have to, worry about it curing until you're ready to cure it. And here I'm just showing you the ones that I used. I just kind of put it beside the nail when I was done. And for the pinky, I'm going to go in with this green. So make sure you go in at the bottom of the nail to smooth that out before you cure, and you want to make sure that you cure the bottom of the nail as well. So I cured the top and the bottom just to make sure that everything cured nicely, and then I went in and popped the dual forms off. Now you can file, buff, shape, whatever you need to do, and then add like a top coat. I just mainly filed the free edges and the side walls just to kind of sharpen that up, but I did not mess with the original glossy top that you get from using the dual form. Here I'm just going in with some Young Nails swipe. And this is what the nails look like. I think they came out really cute. I will definitely be using this product again. Here I just placed it in some hot water so that you can see it change. But that pink did not turn yellow. It could possibly be a glow color, and that is something that I did not think about until just now. So I will try that and let you all know if it is a glow color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave me some comments and let me know how you feel about Acrylgel, Polygel, Acrylic, and regular gel. Let me know which one is your favorite. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose. Find what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.